I have picked up all the stitches around the neckline and I'm back to where I began, which is at the center of the back. I'm going to begin the I-cord bind off now. The first thing to do is to cable cast on 3 stitches for the I-cord. So I'm going to take the tip of my right hand needle, stick it between the 2 stitches on my left hand needle, pull that yarn through, pull that yarn through and put it on the left hand needle. I'm going to do that 2 more times. 1, 2. So I have cable cast on 3 stitches for the I-cord. So I'm going to knit the first 2, and the final one I'm going to SSK, that's slip, slip, knit it together with the next stitch on the needle. So slip, slip, knit. I'm going to slip all these stitches back to the left hand needle. Now I'm going to do it all over again. Knit the first stitch, knit the second stitch, SSK the third stitch together with the next stitch on the needle. Slip all 3 stitches purlwise back to the left hand needle. I'm going to demonstrate English style now. So begin by knitting that first stitch, knit the second stitch, knit SSK the third stitch. So slip, slip, knit these 2 together. One more time. Slip all 3 back to the left hand needle, knit the first stitch, knit the second stitch, slip the third stitch knitwise, slip the next stitch knitwise, knit both stitches together through the back loop. And that's it. You'll work all the way around the neckline like this, and when you get back to the end, you'll cut the yarn, bind it off, cut the yarn, and then use a darning needle to stitch these 2 edges of the I-cord together. It might be the case that once you've finished your I-cord and tried on your sweater, your neckline is lower or higher than you wanted. If that's the case, you can pull the whole thing out and pick up fewer or more stitches, or try changing your needle size to get a different fit on the neckline. The neckline is pretty flexible. You can change it pretty dramatically by changing the number of stitches that you pick up around and the density of your I-cord with your needle size. So that's it.